I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Apex RR Air boots. Okay, the retail for the all-new Apex RR Air boots is a super affordable $139.99. A lot of value in these boots. We're going to talk about that more as we move forward. A week or so ago, I'm answering some YouTube comments, and somebody asked, hey, can you do a review on the all-new Cortech boots? I'm like, new Cortech boots? Go to our site, didn't see them there. Go to Cortech site, lo and behold, there they are. Looks like we missed them during a product release. I blame our rep, Rick. He does a great job, but damn it, man, you should have kept us on point. Nevertheless, they've been added to the site. The boots are all here in the studio. I've taken a look at them, and here come the reviews. One of the most important things I can do for you is sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes. My feet probably lean a little bit to the wide side, not overly wide. These are a 12 US. I would rate the width of these to be real average, pretty vanilla. I got a good fit. They were comfortable. I feel like for most people, pull the trigger on the size that aligns with the shoe size you wear, you're going to get the fit that you expect. If there's any criticism when it comes to entry and exit, there is no expansion built into the zipper. These good quality YKK zips, quality of this boot's really nice. So if you know you're going to be really thick in the ankle area, if you have cankles, my son Max has cankles. His ankles have always been just really thick. You may have a little more difficulty zipping those up. Just be aware of that up front. But for most people, these are going to fit spot on. Who are these right for? This is going to be right for a street rider that's looking for a boot that offers a good measure of protection, good looks, lots of perforation. You can also use these on the racetrack. If you want to dip your toes into the track day waters, these are going to serve you well there to get you rolling. If you really get deep into it, you might want to get something more technical that offers more lateral ankle stability. One of the things that really separates a road race boot from a street boot is going to be that. You're not going to have the bracing to prevent the ankle from moving in the directions it shouldn't in the event of a crash. With that said, there's plenty of protection built into this boot. Got replaceable toe sliders, reinforcement in the toe box, reinforced heel cup, got vents built in. There are impact protectors that are built in to the upper of the boot, right? Of course, you have the abrasion resistance of the microfiber upper. Most boots, they don't really use leather because the microfiber is proven to be a better material for motorcycle footwear. Impact protection up here for the shin. One of the most important points with motorcycle-specific footwear, it's going to be the reinforced sole. It has to be, essentially crush-proof. You happen to come off the machine lands on your foot like this. If your foot gets crushed in that direction, right, it can result in injury. Nobody wants that. So for that reason, they reinforce the sole, and you can see I can't collapse that. Like if you grab a tennis shoe and you push hard like that on a tennis shoe, it's just going to fold right up, where this won't do that. So you have protection side to side, as well as front to back, non-slip sole, tons of ventilation built into this boot with perforation. You've got a TPU shift pad that's on both of the boots to keep everything symmetrical. Some nice padding inside, super comfortable. All in all, I think this boot is well executed and sells for a very fair price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.